He's so strange. I just wanted to play.
Archie, why so sad?
Tractor. This kitty is weird. Yesterday he was sniffing me, and today it's hiss and fur?
He's still small. He probably got scared of your barking. Give him some time.
But what if I really want to be friends with him?
If you want to, come with me. You can help with the peaches. And on the way, we'll think about how to make friends.
Oh, I really want to go for peaches. I haven't ridden with you anywhere in ages.
Then hop in the trailer and let's go.
We are driving through the fields, over forests, through the meadows. Some the man is greeting us, warming up our morning shadows. We are driving to the orchard, past the lakes and by the streams. Ripe and juicy peaches waiting like a sweet and fruity dream. Just ahead the orchard waits, sunny, full of lovely smell. On the branches juicy waits, peaches ripened by the spell. Tractor's fast and Archie too, singing happy songs with glee. When we get there we will do, fill the trailer, wait and see.
Tractor, how can I make up with Tigo if he doesn't understand me?
Tigo is still small and doesn't talk like us, but that doesn't mean he doesn't understand anything. Often, the best way to get along is with a gift, especially a tasty one.
In the draw trip to the trees, like a fairy tale so grand. Lots of peaches in the breeze, smelling sweet throughout the land. While the tractor picks with care, Archie searches oh so keen, the ripest, sweetest anywhere. For Tig, oh, the best, most clean. Now we're driving from the orchard, on the paths and through the fields, bringing peaches to our farm. A short road the journey yields, soon we'll bring them all back home. Farm and house are very near, happy feelings we have come, spreading smiles and joyful cheer.
It's hot today, so I decided to swim after the dusty ride.
If I wasn't carrying a load, I'd splash in with you too. Remember, kitties are afraid of loud noises and sudden movements. You need to be calm and patient.
I understand. I'll give him the peach I chose especially for him, and I won't scare him.
That's right. And don't rush. Time is the best friend.
I'm loud and you're quiet, but I'm glad you're here. This is for you, if you want it.
This is the beginning of a wonderful friendship between Archie and Tigo. And if you want to know how Tigo got lost, subscribe to the channel.